Warning, this following video may offend some viewers. Please do not get offended, it is all for jokes. And don't sue us, we don't have any money.
Hello and welcome to another 5th Council video. My name is Amar, and you may have met my colleagues from earlier videos who neglected to tell you that there are in fact 5 of us, and I'm the cool one. Oh, and there's also another guy who's kind of missing in action right now, but don't worry about him, I'm sure he'll show up somewhere. Maybe. And today's video I'll be giving you all advice on how to be a good boyfriend, so don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a nice comment down below. Number 1. The first bit of advice that I'd give all of you is ignore everything that your girlfriend says. Damn straight, you heard it. Ignore everything they say and do your own thing. You see, a girl loves when a man takes control. They don't like little beta males who just listen to everything they say. No, take control of your relationship. Do whatever the hell you please. Trust me, your relationship will be better off for it. Number 2. My second bit of advice would be to flirt with other women. Yeah, you're right. I'm telling you to go out and flirt with others. Why am I telling you this? Well, because doing this will keep your girl on her toes. It will let her know, listen, you're not the only girl out here. There are others. And if you don't act right, you will be swiped left. Now, some of you will be thinking, oh, come on. This is the most stupid thing you could ever say. But trust me, this theory has been tried and tested by none other than yours truly. Did it work? Yeah, it worked. Number 3. The third bit of advice I would give you is compliments. Do not compliment your girlfriend. Do not compliment her too often. You see, a big-headed girlfriend will not keep you happy. In fact, it will be the most annoying thing you've ever come across. There is nothing worse than an egotistical female. She'll be completely out of control. Next thing you know, she'll be telling you to do the shopping. Could you imagine? Number 4. Gifts. Gifts, some may argue, are the most important part of any relationship. It shows how much you appreciate each other. What's my advice to you? Don't buy her any gifts. Make sure that you're the one receiving all gifts, so she knows exactly how important you are and how much you bring to the relationship. If she knows how important you are to the relationship, she will do anything you say. Number 5. Arguments. Arguments are the key to every healthy relationship. Shout out to my guy Dawood. You need to disagree about pretty much everything if you want to survive. Is cinnamon any good? Who cares? Argue about it. Trust me, you'll be destined for the long run. Whenever she makes a point, and she's right, counter it. Even if you're wrong, insist that you're right. She will respect you a lot more for it. This will keep the relationship exciting and alive. If you follow all of my points, then I guarantee you, you will have a long, blissful and happy relationship. I wish you the best of luck. Don't forget once again to like and subscribe, and watch out for me in future videos. I look forward to seeing you then.